Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're making very delicious coconut rice. This coconut rice, I decided to pair it up with very healthy and delicious beet juice. This is what you prepare for your friends, your family, and your guests, and definitely they'll be asking you for more. So if you want to know how I came about this recipe, kindly watch this video till the end. And don't forget, if you like what you see, remember to subscribe, share my videos, like this video, and please thumbs up this video. Thank you so much. So to prepare this, we have coconut, which is the major ingredients in this recipe. And we're going to be cracking this coconut open while we extract the milk from it, because we're going to be using mostly the milk from this coconut. So I actually extracted the meat from the coconut and I blended it with some water, and then I got the milk out of it. And this is the milk. I'm just going to pour it into a pot. And to that I'm adding some chicken stock that I kept in the fridge. I'm going to stir that. I'm also adding some salt. I'm going to cover that to heat up a little bit. So now I'm adding some KNORR cubes. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. So next I'm going to be adding our Basmati rice. This rice, I soaked it for 30 minutes and then I washed it. Now I'm pouring it into our pot of coconut milk. And I'm just going to allow this to cook. So I'll allow that to cook for 20 minutes after stirring it. And this is after 20 minutes. So I'm still going to let it cook for another 5 minutes till it's ready. And now rice is ready. I'm going to set that aside while I put some oil in the pan. And to that oil, I already cut up my beef. I'm just going to empty that into the oil and let that fry for a bit. Now I'm just going to add some salt to it because I did not add salt before. So I actually allowed that to fry for almost 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to be adding some garlic, already cut up garlic. And some purple onions already cut up. And then some Scotch bonnet pepper. After allowing this to cook for about 3 minutes, next, at this point, I'm going to be adding the shrimp. I'll just allow the shrimp to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes so that it will not be overcooked. It's time to add the bouillon powder. Next is our spring onions. You know, sometimes when you get used to the jollof and the tomato rice, you can just step out and make something like this. Very simple and easy. So now it's time to add our already cooked basmati rice. I'm just going to add this and then I'll stir. Look at how fluffy the basmati rice is. So at this point, if you like what you see, kindly subscribe if you haven't. And follow me on Facebook as well. Thank you all. So feel free to add more seasoning to this. At this point, we're adding some green peppers. So remember the coconut milk with the chicken stock and the seasoning and the beef and the shrimp and everything. All the flavors infused together. And lastly, I'm just going to top it up with some coconut flakes. And that is it. The taste is unspeakable. Kindly try this and let me know what you think. I just garnished up eventually with some chives as well. And food is ready. Thank you all for watching. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bon appetit. Bye.